everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Baking Diva. And to all my new subscribers, I really appreciate you coming on back. January 1st, I told everybody on my New Year's Day video that I was going to try to incorporate a few low carb and keto recipes in with my others. So as I told you before, no, this channel's not changing to keto or low carb. I'm just going to try to make everybody happy and put a little bit of everything in. So today, I figured I'm going to do a nice appetizer. And I'm going to do an appetizer that's both low carb, keto friendly, and good for everyone. And with the Super Bowl coming up, what Super Bowl is this, cameraman?
I think it's 53.
The 53rd Super Bowl. And who's going to the Super Bowl, cameraman?
The New England Patriots and the Rams.
The Rams.
I believe.
You believe?
Yeah.
You believe?
I believe.
Oh, well, what can I say? I'm for the Patriots. Oh, don't hate on me. It's just I live in New Jersey. The hubby was born in Massachusetts, so we have to be for the Patriots. How many Super Bowls have the Patriots been in? Do you know?
Yikes, maybe 9?
Yeah. Well, anyway, doesn't matter. Cheer for everybody you want to. But I thought with the Super Bowl coming up and other sporting events going on, an appetizer would be good to make. Although this one is so delicious that I'm afraid if you have a Super Bowl get-together and you put this out too soon, it'll be gone. It won't even make it to the game. So what do you say, cameraman? Let's not keep them waiting any longer. Should we get going?
Let's get going.
All righty. Oh, and just a reminder, if any of you are here and have not gone down below into the description box and subscribed to my channel, do so now. Just hit that red subscribe button and the little bell next to it, and you'll be a subscriber. So here we go. This is, are you ready? Are you sure you're ready? This is a dill pickle bacon cheddar ball. That's what I said. Dill pickle. Who doesn't like pickles? I mean, there's so many different varieties of pickles. I love dill pickles. I love garlic pickles. I like a lot of pickles, but I don't like sweet pickles. And I guess that's the reason I don't like sweet relish. What about you, cameraman?
I like sweet pickles.
I know you do. I know you do. Well, to each his own, but this recipe calls for dill pickles. So let's get started. This is super easy. The first thing we need is a bowl to do our mixing in. All right, then we need cream cheese. And we need 12 ounces of softened cream cheese. I let it sit at room temperature. So I'm gonna put it in this bowl. Usually a block of cream cheese is 8 ounces, so I put 1 block in and I put 4 ounces in from another bowl. Bar. All right, let me get all of this off here. Now to the cream cheese, ooh, should have my spatula here, Diva. What's the matter with you, Diva? Okay, what we're gonna add to the cream cheese is, you ready for this one? What do you think's in here? Pickle juice, dill pickle juice. And I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of dill pickle juice to the cream cheese. That's right. Ooh. I actually just bought a jar of kosher dill pickles. These happen to be stackers. And I took the juice from the jar. All right, so I'm going to mix the pickle juice in with the cream cheese. Get it all combined in there. Whew, that smells good. Every year there's a big craft fair at the high school in our town, and I always go to it. And outside, not in the gym, but outside, there's a vendor set up with barrels and barrels of pickles. Everything you could think of. So as soon as you park your car and walk towards the school, you just smell pickles. It smells so good. So let me mix this up. Okay. All righty. It's 59 degrees here today in New Jersey. That's degrees. I don't understand it. Do you, cameraman?
No.
I just don't get it. The heat goes up, the heat goes down. It's crazy. All right, this looks like it's mixed in pretty well. Just keep mixing it until the pickle juice gets all combined with the cream cheese. There we go. Probably gonna, whoopsie, go over there and get myself a spatula. All right, now, what we're gonna also need is some garlic powder. So I'm gonna add what I have here. Where is it? Here it is. 1 teaspoon of garlic powder I'm going to put in there. Gonna mix that together. So we have the cream cheese, the pickle juice, and the garlic powder. I need more mussels for this. Alrighty. Oh, it smells so good. Okay. There we go. Okay. Alright, next, this is a good part. We are going to stir in chopped up pickles. That's what I said. Chopped up pickles. So we need here 1 cup of chopped pickles. So I did that already. I'm going to put those in there. Move this aside. So we're going to put in the 1 cup of chopped pickles. We're also going to put in 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese. Get that in there. And we're going to put in bacon. Now this recipe called for 1 pound of cooked bacon. And the bacon was supposed to be broken up after it was cooked. So I did that already, but I had a little less than a pound. And the reason they tell you to cook up a pound is because part of it's going in the dip, and we're going to do something else with the other part of it. So my dip here will have a slight bit less bacon inside, but that'll be just fine. But I'll put the recipe down below in the description box, and you need to cook up 1 pound of bacon, let it cool, and then crumble it up. Now, once we get all of this cheddar and pickles and everything else mixed up in here, I am going to put in here half of my bacon. So I already put some that I chopped up in this bowl, and I'm going to add that to the mixture. Now here comes the fun part. Best to use your hands with this. I took off my wedding ring, I washed my hands, so I don't have a problem digging into this. So I'm going to do that right now. It does look awfully gooey. Let me get my sleeves up. Let me move my watch. You ready? Here we go. Ugh. It is gooey. Very gooey. Alrighty. So we're going to mix all of this up and shape it into a ball. Now, I think I have to scoot on over. Oh, gee, I don't know. I might have to have the cameraman help me. Can you help me, cameraman? Just scoot on over and get me a piece of wax paper over there. Sorry, it's on the door. I forgot about that, and I can't do it now with my hands. If you're new to my channel, you will learn as you go along that the cameraman and I, we go back and forth. We do our antics and our bantering, and quite often you'll see me dressed in character for my video. I just like to have fun while I'm baking here. That's good, cameraman. Thank you. This is messy. Woohoo! So I'm forming this into a ball. Oh, here we go. Take this all out of the bowl. Gooey, gooey. All right. Hello. Okay, let me move this bowl out of the way. All right, now. All right, now, let me move this aside. I put the other half of my chopped up bacon in a flat dish. And I also chopped up some green onions, that's scallions. I put in here about 4 of the green onions. I'm gonna mix them in with the bacon here. I think that's good. All right, I'm gonna combine the bacon with my green onion, my scallions. I have them all chopped up here. All right. Now, I'm gonna take this ooey gooey ball of yumminess and I'm going to put it, in the topping. There we go, just like that. It's so gooey, you see. It's all, it's all going to stick. Let me move this out of the way. To the ball. Now, doesn't that look good? Oh boy, I think so. Who cares if you get messy? It's worth it in the end, right? Sure is. And now that's all there is to it. This ball can be eaten right away, or it can be put in the refrigerator. You can keep this ball, if you want to make it ahead, in an airtight container in your refrigerator for about 2 days. Now, if you're on keto, it's probably great to serve this with some celery sticks or with some other vegetables that are on the approved keto plan. You can also just serve it with crackers. You can, I've been dying to try it. You can serve it with pretzels, but I was wondering, I wonder what those, you know those mustard flavored pretzels? I wonder what they would taste like with it. So anyway, I'm going to be back in 1 second to show you what it looks like when I have it all set up on the platter, and I'll do a little taste testing, so don't go away. Look at this masterpiece. I put the dill pickle bacon cheese ball on a platter with some celery sticks, a few pretzel sticks, and some crackers, and it looks beautiful. So I'm gonna do a little taste testing now. Let me put this down. Woo! I'm gonna take a piece of celery. Get some bacon on there. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Here we go. Oh my God. The angels are singing on this one, cameraman. Oh my goodness. Okay. So all I'm going to tell you is make this. Make it. If you're watching the Super Bowl, make it and put it out. You're having a party, make this appetizer and put it out. Because I am telling you, you're going to come back to me and you're going to tell me you love it. Oh. That bacon, that pickle taste, oh my God, it's so good. So anyway, if you like this recipe and you like this video, I shouldn't talk with food in my mouth, but go down below, smash that subscribe button till it turns gray. Hit the little bell next to it, make a comment, give me a thumbs up. You know, YouTube loves those thumbs up. Oh, I want to eat this whole thing. And if you do make this recipe, come on back and tell me what you think. I cannot believe that you would not like this. It's so good. So have a great day, everyone. Be safe. And I will see you very soon. Toodles.